Okay, hello guys. It's Thursday, May 29, 2025. Almost how many days left and pasukan na naman po, classes na, opening of classes na. So ayun nga guys. Samahan nyo lang ako, naka-ano ko dito, naka safe driving of course, meron tayong seat belt. May seatbelt tayo, meron tayong camera holder. Both my hands are on the steering wheel. So safe driving tayo. Nakatingin ako sa mga kalsada, so you don't need to worry. Gusto ko lang na ma-video ito so that meron naman din akong ma-upload mamaya sa ating Jewels of Gina Friends na Jewels of Gina Friends or Gina Yongke channel. So guys, kumusta na po ang ating mga channel? So I hope that nag-upload pa rin tayo from time to time. We do live stream, we do shorts video, we do long video. Para kahit papano ay makatulong sa pagiging active ng ating channel. So very important also is to be engaged with our friends. So gain more friends, and these friends will also be supporting you. You support them and they will also support you. Ayan. So ang paghahandaan ko ngayon ay ang aking meron akong meeting with the performance management team. So mga performance management team, it's a planning meeting on the different things that we would like to happen for the school year 2025-2026. So I hope na stay pa rin ako dito sa school. So hindi pa rin ako malipat, hopefully hindi pa rin ako malipat para naman ma-enjoy ko naman yung company ng mga teachers dito. And masaya naman ako together with them. Nakakatuwa naman sila, laging nandyan, supportive sila pag may mga kailangan, tutulungan as much as they can. So kailangan pa rin, as tayo po ang nagli-lead sa kanila, tayo po as leader ang tutulong paano sila i-guide. So ayun, pagka nahihirapan, magtutulong-tulungan kasi that's the key in an organization. So in an organization, mas mapapadali ang trabaho kapag nagtutulong-tulungan. Imagine kung isang tao lang or tatlong master teacher lang, as much as possible that sasama natin yung mga iba't ibang mga tao na pwedeng makatulong sa atin, or yung tinuturing natin na meron silang leadership potential. We will tap into that leadership potential, yung may influence sila, people listen to them. What else? A good leader must be influential. So somebody who can influence others, somebody who can work together with, kasi hindi naman kailangan na matalino ka as a leader. As long na nagpapakita ka ng magandang example, I'm sure they will follow. So with regards naman, punta naman tayo sa topic ng YouTube. So here in YouTube, as I am telling you, syempre lahat naman tayo nag-start sa konti lang yung friends, di ba? So hindi rin ibig sabihin na marami rin yung friends mo ay sure ka na rin na marami ang views. So it's a matter of taking care of them, engaging, supporting, and yung mga topic natin, syempre iba-iba tayo ng niche. As much as possible, we stick to the niche. Mas madali kasing i-promote din ni YouTube ang ating channel if meron siyang tema. So dito sa Gina Yongke channel, at most of the time our theme is positivity. So ano ba ang mga bagay that will make our life easier, mawala yung ating mga burden, ganyan. Ano pa, right perspectives, kasi there are things in life that we cannot control. But the thing that we control are the way on which we react to them. Paano ba tayo mag-react sa mga bagay-bagay na ito? So, dalawang tao, they are experiencing the same problem, pero they are yielding different results. Why? Kasi yung isang tao, maganda yung pananaw niya, very positive. Yung isa hindi. Victim. At saka, parang hindi siya in control. So, dapat you have to be in control of the situation. Whatever you can do that will lighten the load, or whatever you can do that will make it easier for you to achieve your results, yun ang gagawin mo. And also, we choose our battles. Hindi lahat ng maliit na bagay pinapatulan. Kung maliit lang naman yung bagay na yan, let it go. And then we focus on the people who are working with us. We focus on the people who are positive. We focus on the people who will help us achieve our goals. Kaya nga, totoo yung sinasabing birds of the same feather flock together. It's because tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. Kahit sabihin mo pa na iba yung pananaw mo doon sa kaibigan mo na yon, kapag lagi mo siyang kasama, in one way or another, you will have the same thinking. So, let us be very careful in choosing our friends. Sikapin natin na the friends that will influence us in our decision making would be toward a beautiful outcome or future. So kasi di ba nga, kung gusto mo nang maging successful sa inyong company, sasama ka ba doon sa mga palaging absent? Sasama ka ba doon sa palaging kontra ng kontra sa mga pinagagawa ng superior? Or sasama ka ba doon sa laging not following direction, not following instructions? Of course not. Siyempre gusto nating lahat maging maayos yung ating workplace. So especially if you are contemplating to stay until your retirement. So dapat maging maganda yung work mo doon. Imagine, before nung wala tayong work, di ba? We are praying to God, Lord, bigyan niyo po kami ng trabaho. Bigyan niyo po ako ng trabaho. At pag nagkaroon po ako ng trabaho, papasalamat po ako sa iyo, Panginoon, and gagawin ko ng tama. Pero pag nagkatrabaho na tayo, iba na yung nagiging actions natin. So let us always remember, alalahanin po natin yung hindi pa tayo nakakapasok sa trabaho, na very eager tayo, very willing tayo, gusto nating magkaroon ng trabaho kasi gusto nating ma-practice yung mga napag-aralan natin, gusto natin na lahat ng mga skills natin magamit natin, talents and whatsoever. Kaya pag dumating na yung trabaho na yon, natural lang na nagkakaroon din tayo ng mga issues, nagkakaroon din ng mga concern. Dumadaan na kami sa highway. Dumadaan na tayo sa ang daming spike doon sa may National Government Center. So, ayun. Para mag-slow down ang mga sasakyan. Kasi nga, hindi pwedeng masyado mabilis magpatakbo doon kasi daanan ng mga tao. So, ayun nga po, sabi ko nga po, ayun, yung hindi pwede na everything is bed of process. Meron po talagang mga pagsubok tayo nga harapin. So, ang maganda lang po, we need to react and look into it in a positive light. So yan po ang mostly makikita po ninyo dito. Sorry, nabubulol na ang inyong lola. Makikita po ninyo dito sa channel ni Gina Yongke. Positivity, hugot, everything nice. Bye and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.
Sorry, it's DJ.